Hey, everyone! Welcome back. And today we have a treat for your taste buds. The perfect cream cheese frosting for carrot cake. If you're a fan of that classic combination, you're in for a real treat. Let's jump right into it. Here's what you'll need for the cream cheese frosting. 8 ounces, 226 grams, cream cheese, softened. 1/2 cup, 115 grams, unsalted butter, softened. 4 cups, 480 grams, powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now, before we get started, make sure your cream cheese and butter are both at room temperature. This ensures a smooth and lump-free frosting. All right, let's whip this up. In a large mixing bowl, add your softened cream cheese and butter. Now, using a hand mixer or a stand mixer, beat these together until they are well combined and fluffy. Once you've achieved that creamy consistency, it's time to add the star of the show, the powdered sugar. I like to add the powdered sugar gradually, about a cup at a time, to prevent any sugar storms in the kitchen. Mix well after each addition. Now for that extra layer of flavor. Let's add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. It adds a nice depth that complements the richness of the cream cheese. Continue mixing until everything is well incorporated, and you have a smooth and luscious cream cheese frosting. And there you have it, the perfect cream cheese frosting for your carrot cake. It's velvety, not too sweet, and pairs amazingly well with the spiced goodness of carrot cake. Now let's spread this deliciousness onto our freshly baked carrot cake. Whether you've made it from scratch or picked it up from your favorite bakery, this frosting takes it to the next level. Look at how beautifully it glides over the cake, and don't be shy, pile it on. The more the better, right? And there you have it, a carrot cake adorned with the creamiest cream cheese frosting. It's a match made in dessert heaven. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious treats, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until then, happy baking!